out the scene, yeah. Hey. Yeah. I don't believe in love at first sight. Oh, you see, last week Friday night, meet a girl down in this place. She tell me her name was Miss Grace. She said, boy, I ain't still long. So Louis take a dance to this song. This still had to be the last one. So then I asked what she drinking. She tell me rum and Coca-Cola. So darling, come a little closer. Whoa. She drinking rum and Coca-Cola all night. Then she look me in the eye, say you ain't leaving here tonight. When that thought is one, she signal the bartender, bring it come. Start to jam all down to the ground. This kind of woman, where she come from, oh Lord, how she whining so. Just one more before I go. It was rum and Coca-Cola all night. Oh, now we walking up in the place. I can feel my face, and as soon as I hold she hand, who we go bounce up is the ex-man. Now they want to start a big fight, but I ain't come for that here tonight. So I'm picking up the next round to ask them what all you're drinking. They tell me rum and Coca-Cola. Then she pull me a little closer. Whoa. We drinking rum and Coca-Cola all night. Now it's plenty after 5. And the place still have a vibe. When that thought is one, she signal the bartender, bring it come. Girl, them jamming all on the ground. Them kind of woman where they come from, oh Lord, how they whining so. Head nice and I still can't go. We drinking rum and Coca-Cola all night. Rum and Coca-Cola. So darling, come a little closer. Whoa. Rum and Coca-Cola all night. This girl, she had me from the first one. And then she been right over. We jamming up all night. Push me up on this